This is Karthik, music tutor. Welcome to the first step to recorder playing course. In the previous episode, we discussed about various types of rhythm patterns we could get inside a bar, and using rhythm exercises we learned how to clap and count the rhythms, and we also learned how to count and play them on the recorder. In today's episode, let us understand how to check the sound of a note using a tuner. So far, we have learnt only one note on the recorder, that is B. So in today's episode, let us see how to check whether the B note is sounding right or not using a tuner. For this, first we have to download and install the tuner app. The link for this app is given in the description. It is a free app available in the Play Store. So once you download and install the application on your mobile, open your app. On top you can see tuner. Click on the tuner and you can see some notes being displayed here, A, G sharp, A. So click here and check. So it should be by default like the C, D, E and sharp. Okay. So just set it to this and click OK. Now your tuner is all ready. Now let us check the first note. The first note is B. So let us try B. So you can see the pointer going left and right. It is okay if you're not getting the pointer on green, because it will take some time to get the right tune of the note. Now let us check the next note. So the next note what we'll be learning on the recorder is A. Fingering of A is thumb, index and middle. Left hand, thumb, index and middle. So let us try to play A. So in today's video, we learned how to check the sound of a note using a tuner. I hope today's lesson was clear. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll see you in the next episode with the next new lesson. Until then, keep practicing and thank you for watching.